Here we are in Eastbrigde at 552 Windjammer. It's a great crescent location, perfect for families, close to awesome schools, good shopping, and simple routes out of town with the expressway. This place has lovely, lovely upgrades. I'm sure it'll prove to be all you'll need. The front foyer is welcoming and has all the light you'll need due to the half wall between it and the formal dining room. And this morning sun should be all you'll need in the morning on Monday to get ready for the week. Not to mention, you have this beautiful island that's included. Plus a bright two-piece for sunny dispositions. If you need more than a vaulted ceiling, fireplace, and also beautiful tall windows, you either need to call mom and dad or get a better job. Upstairs is all you'll need with 3 large bedrooms. This one and this one share the large main bath. Oh, you thought I was getting in the tub? No, you'll find me in this tub. This has all the space that I need. Found in the massive master bedroom with light-filled walk-in closet. Yep, we're good to go. Downstairs in the recently finished basement with gorgeous laundry, TV area, room for the kids to play, and not to mention if you're in the middle of the game and you need to go, we have a 2-piece bathroom. A lovely fenced yard privately treed should prove to be all you'll need. Watty, Chestnut Park.